In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a roller on Canva design. So first of all, I open a design. Now I need to just click on this element. You can see here's lots of things, but I need to click on this file. Then click setting and show ruler and guides. That's it. So now just you can drag and drop on your design again here. Okay, left, right, and you can add. If you found this video helpful for you, if you found this video helpful, please consider like and subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you again.